As a New York City interior designer, you always have the opportunity to work on these magnificent high-floor apartments. I'm Garrow Kedigian. Come check out my latest dabble in sky-high living. This is a modern apartment tower on the Upper East Side, but my client came to me because she didn't want her home to be like a cookie-cutter white box like so many of them tend to be. And if you know my work, you know I must have been ecstatic about my client's request for color and character, two things I know everything about. And it all begins with this fabulous mural wallpaper in the entrance foyer. I love using scenic wallpapers like this. It adds so much character, personality, and whimsy. And I always love using black trim on such wallpaper because it frames it like a work of art. And art motivates all my design decisions. This living room is all about the view. And when my client purchased the apartment, she said she felt like she was walking in the clouds. So I positioned this sectional sofa facing out towards the windows. And in the window wall corner, I placed this wonderful contemporary culp sofa for anyone who wants to sit directly in the view. And for any other position in the room, I put this gigantic architectural mirror to make sure the views can be seen from every corner. And everyone that knows my work knows that I love Greek key. So I used it here on this area carpet to give the room some structure. This helped me organize a more classical seating grouping in an otherwise contemporary space. And this interplay between classic and contemporary always makes for exciting design. Originally, the dining area was at the far end of the room, but I felt it was a little bit more appropriate to have it in the little nook by the entrance foyer. And to accentuate the niche, I created these built-in bookcases to flank this wonderful piece of art. For the dining table, I selected this very sculptural piece of art. I put a piece of glass on top, very modern, and then I mixed it with these classical dining chairs. More play between the classic and the contemporary. I always think a home should have at least one room that's deep in saturated color. The blue color here is much deeper than in the living room. To give the room some architectural interest, I added this wall grid paneling. It also makes it feel more classic and refined, but with just the right amount of drama. And to add a little heat to this romance, I painted the ceiling this dramatic, fiery red. All the furnishings in this room are luxurious yet comfortable, but let me show you the most comfortable room in this house. It's the primary suite of this apartment that takes the cake in terms of ultimate luxury. The walking on a cloud theme is continued in this ethereal carpet. As a contrast, I painted the walls a blush pink. It's not only one of those colors that makes everyone look good, but it also makes you very happy. In many of these high-rise buildings, you have to contend with these structural columns. In this instance, I took the opportunity to celebrate it. So I had this custom banquette made, which turns it into an elegant seating area. The bed is custom made. I had my upholsterer make a high back, and I decorated them with these lovely pillows that I designed. Overall, I really wanted my client to feel pampered by this room and to make her feel like she's the queen of the city. Well, that's the tour. I hope this has inspired you to see a contemporary apartment in a classical way. Thanks for coming.
If you thought this place was impressive, just wait. We've got so much more to show you. Like and subscribe, and you'll see more gorgeous places almost every day.